I've got that yacht delivery coming up, so I've got a waterproof camera set up for that.
That's awesome. Here we go.
I like to see the shadow on the bottom as going over to Emerald Bay.
Yeah, totally.
Now you're taking continuous video right now?
Yes, I am.
What if you put the camera on the deck of the boat?
Well, we could. It's waterproof to 40 feet. Get the bungee cords out.
Okay. You almost need a little more wind to make the sails fill in.
Yeah. Well, it's amazing how fast it goes with as little wind as there is. Hey! I'm using my new camera to take a video.
You gotta take it.
I'm videoing this right now.
That's awesome. Okay, team photo.
Yeah, but we're videoing right now.
Oh, that's awesome.
Wing action.
It's so perfect.
Awesome. I love that thing. I have to get a remote control boat now.
You do?
I love it. It's so fun.
Well, it's great for your mind.
It is.
Because
it really is.
You can visualize yourself.
It's really good for learning.
Well, you can visualize yourself moving the
Yeah,
craft. And
I
the little people on the
know.
boat. The Larmy men.
Yeah. We're going to rig my new camera up to the boat because it can go 40 feet underwater.
That is so crazy.
I know.